Hi, this is a short video to show you how to deposit funds into your Chainex account. So I'm going to show you where you need to navigate to make sure that you capture the details for your own reference number, which is unique to your own account. When you are depositing money in your Chainex wallet, make sure you are using your own reference. Otherwise, if you use someone else's reference, the funds will go in someone else's account. Okay, so I'm logging into my Chainex account. What I'm doing now is adding my two-factor authentication code, because this is a way to secure my accounts. Okay, so I've logged into my account. When you log into your account, if you're not using the app, this is how it will look. I'll also do the same process looking at it from the app. So you click on the three lines on the right, and then this process is after you have already done the verification on your account. Then you click on balances. This is the easiest way. And okay, let me just close this. So when you click on balances, it will show you the different coins that are there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. If you want other coins like Bitcoin Vault, you can just search for it and it will show here. You can see Bitcoin Vault at the bottom. So if maybe I'm looking for DOT, which is polka dot, polka dot, I think it's dot. Okay, I know dot is there. Okay, let me search for XRP. Okay, here's XRP. So coins that are available on Chainex, if you're looking for them, just type the name of the coin. But right now we're focusing on depositing Rand. Then you see Rand, you click on deposit. Once you click deposit, it will show you this screen. It'll show you Chainex FNB bank account, the branch number, type of account, and then it says your deposit reference. Please do not use my reference number in this video. If you do that, you're going to put money for me and I won't even know who deposited the money into my wallet. So when you log into your own personal Chainex account, you will have your own Chainex reference number. So when you create Chainex as a beneficiary on your account, make sure that you use this reference number. Let me caution you, do not use a cell phone number, your name, your surname, or add any other characters when you are doing this deposit. So when you create the beneficiary, then you go into your own bank account. You create the beneficiary. If you're using Capitec, if you're using FNB ABSA, then you transfer the money into Chainex FNB account. Also, if you're using FNB, there's no reason to do an immediate payment because it's FNB to FNB. But if you're using other banks like ABSA, Standard Bank, Capitec, then I would recommend to do an immediate transfer. If, for example, I use Capitec, so I would use an immediate transfer and Capitec charges me 8 Rand. But if you don't do an immediate transfer, the funds might reflect from between 24 to 48 hours, which means you have to wait. Then once you've done the deposit, if it's immediate, the funds will reflect here where it says available. That's how it works. And then from there, you need to now convert your Rand. You need to convert your Rand into, okay, sorry about that. Then you need to convert your Rand into Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another short video where I'll deposit Rands and then I'll show you how to convert them either into Bitcoin, or you can convert into Bitcoin Vault and then you buy your Mining City share. Okay.